Here we are with yet another video. Today I'm going to teach you how to create tags. Okay, so first we'll go to YouTube, and then obviously, as I told you in the last video, you need to sign in. So if you already have an account, just put your username and password, and that's about it really. So over here we have our video, right? This is the video I put in there for my son last time. So we go to YouTube Studio, videos, and we go to edit, cue drawing. Now we need to make tags of this, okay, so people can find it more easily, because not many people are looking for cute star drawings. So we need to do something. We need to go to rapid tag generator. This is the best free tag generator that there is, right? So you put your title and you press enter and you wait for it, and you see it gave you all these tags. So you had to put minimum efforts in there in order to get the tags. Just say copy and go down here, and you see there are no tags. Okay, so people are looking for different things and they want to find your video, and there we are. We just put tags in there. So this way we have a video with tags. You see, drawing, cute drawing, star drawing, star, draw it, cute, brawl stars, how to draw a star. So these are the things people are looking for. So we need to make it easy for people to search for it, because most of the traffic will come from searching. So as it is, we have 523 characters. We can only use 500. So donut drawing, okay, we don't want that, and we need to remove something else because now we have 502. C star drawing, we just remove that. Yep, now we're in the limit, so we can just say save really, and that's about it. This is how you make tags. And this rapid tag.io generator, this is the best free tag generator that there is. Okay, it generates tags for you. So there we have it. And now hope you learned a thing or two about creating tags, and I'll see you later.